Hey guys, quick update. This is not the kind of video I make normally, but my JEE mains, I mean everybody's JEE mains sit intimation has come out, and my shift is on 22nd January, and exactly 2 weeks remain. Like, obviously I'm very stressed, and I know I haven't uploaded for a while because in the past few months I have been really mentally stressful, and I consciously stopped and I stepped back to focus on myself and my preparation. Right now, my only priority is obviously the exam, so I've paused my YouTube and I want to give this exam my best shot. Currently, I do have a lot of things that are pending, and obviously, I'm very stressed, as you can probably tell. But I'm also confident because I have studied nicely. I don't think the exam should go south. I haven't given a mock in this week, but I want to revise a significant part of physics and chemistry because these are uh, really easy scoring topics, and physics is my strongest, I think, and also maths. But yeah, I want to revise quite a few of these things. As you can see, there are a lot of things that are done in maths. But just a second, yeah. As you can probably tell, a lot of things have been done in maths, but I'm neglecting my strongest subject, which is physics. And I will give a mock after I've revised a significant portion of physics and chemistry, which I will do in a few days. And I'm also documenting short bits of my day so that I can make something, unique after the exams are done as a overall package kind of a thing. I'm making short notes, obviously, as you can probably tell, and I'm obviously very stressed, and it's very normal for people like us to be stressed, but we should also be in a positive state of mind, because if we stay in a negative state of mind, the exam is gonna go bad nevertheless, which happened to me last year. Although I'm stressed, I know that I have worked hard, I would do nicely, and I just need to, like, there are 14 days still remaining. I need to, like, channel my energy to the right things in the remaining 14 days, and I think the exam is gonna go very well. And once my exams are done, I'll be back properly with updates, new content, and everything that is planned ahead. Do let me know your exam dates also in the comments, and thanks to everyone who stayed patient. See you all after the exam.